We are here, we are here, we are here. What is an amazing day? Okay, everyone, this is Cam Jones, FX Analysis. Disclaimer, I'm not a professional. Please watch these videos at your own risk. These videos are entertainment purposes only. Thank you. Okay, guys, we are marking up AXP for business. Let's take a look at what's going on in the market. Take a look at price action. Last candle in the market is a bullish candle. Price action candle is a doji. It's having a hard time pushing up, so it's working that way in that sideways consolidation of that area. So let's draw it out. Price action highs. You're looking for the market to break this area here. See how far it's really going to go up. Price action lower lows. Back in this area here. Midpoint in the middle. Let's draw out what we see. So price action at a high, something happened in this area here before we tag that area and talk about that. Is also where price came from, something that happened at the bottom. So let's draw it out. There's a pattern. So we do have that first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg retest. Market pushed up, retest at this area, side by side candles, and market pushed up again. Triple bottom retest, market pushed up once, came back down, market pushed up twice, came back down, market pushed up. So market's on a third time, it's like on a third leg, so we don't know what that market's going to push up, create that W structure, retest, work its way up higher, or is that market going to consolidate at the area it's at the high, or are we going to get the break, retest the bottom, and let that market work its way down to new lows? Headed down to the weekly time frame. Price action, the last candle in the market is a doji, showing that market is working its way sideways. Pattern is forming some type of structure in that area near price. So coming down is that first leg, coming up in that second. Market still in that third leg. Don't know if it's going to push up for that fourth, but shoot all the way down. If it shoots down, that'll be the break retest. The market works its way down. So that means we're looking for some type of engulfing pattern here that's going to push that market down. Headed down to the daily time frame. Let's take a look at what's going on. Daily time frame, we can see that market created that, hit that area of support multiple times near price, the left side of price. So market tagged that area once, twice, 3 times. So that's a pattern in that area. So let's draw it out. Let's see how far it really pushes up for that high. What we are, price action is at a bullish candle, showing that the market closes out, that the market can work its way up to the high. So before we do that, let's take a look at what's going on. We have that first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg retest. And his market's going to push up, back up to the previous areas of high. So we're looking for a market to tag this area. So that's the area price is near right now for that break-in retest of that midpoint to reach that resistance. Or is that market tagging this resistance with the wick because of the break retest? Is that market's going to work its way down for a decline? We don't know yet. So let's identify what's going on in the 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame, market's pushing up. You can see markets reach that way at highs. We do have price action, bullish candle, second last candle, bullish candle. Let's take a look at poster price. We do have price action. Candle is above the previous candle, showing that that market can work its way up higher. But we're going to take a look at price action wick, last candle in the market wick, to see if it's above second candle wick. If it is, there's a chance that the market can go up. If it's not, the market can drop back down. Now, it's a tight squeeze in that area of the resistance of the SR lines. It is an incline for price action. Not too sure if it's enough for that market to push up. So we're looking at a 50-50 chance. So the draw area of resistance here, we're going to still walk down the time frame to see what we see. So we can clearly identify the market broke, came back to retest. This is the area we look for entry to see if that market's going to push down. Market could be working its way into a consolidation. So let's put in the range. Ready to put in the range. SR line's already put in support for the midpoint line. Headed down to the 3-hour time frame. Market's consolidating, so it's identifying that the market is working its way sideways, having a hard time push up. 3-hour time frame, side by side candles. Wicks is tagging each other side by side. 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touch. That means the market spiked up once, spiked up twice, spiked up 3 times. Wasn't able to break. So what's happening? Market hit that resistance 3 times. So we're going to see if we're going to get another retest candle here. See that market's going to push up, down, or push sideways. Headed down to the 2, extension of candles, 4 candles pushes to the top. So it's creating that structure, so we can start seeing that double bottom that's trying to form in that structure with the wicks. So think about the market with the wicks coming down, the wicks coming up, wicks coming back down. So it's creating some type of incline in the market. Probably identify that while walking down the time frame. Head down to the daily, now we can see that market pushed up here, spiked down, pushed up again, spiked down to the third to last candle, pushed up again at a retest. So market's at a double top, hanging out near resistance. So we're going to see what's going on in that area. So when we walk down the time frame, this area may look like a double top or a single top, and this area here like a double top or a single top as well. So we got multiple pushes to that top. So we're going to see what's going on. 1 hour, 45-minute extension of candles. Market is kind of doing the same thing, working its way sideways while we walk down the time frame. Headed down to the 30-minute. We do have a doji at that high, so we can start seeing that structure forming. So let's identify that structure. And also where's markets coming from? Markets coming from a single bottom at the low, pushed up to a high. We do have a pattern that's forming. Don't know what it fully is yet. We can draw out that first leg, second leg, third leg. Market's sitting on that third leg. Are we going to push down for that fourth? Is market going to retest the bottom, work its way? Or are we going to get that consolidation where that market's work its way sideways? Or are we still looking at the clear picture on the 30-minute for that market to hit that first leg, second leg, tag that support, retest, but we don't know how far this candle is going to drop. We're looking for an engulfing pattern at the price action to see if this market can push up. And if we look at it, if we get an engulfing pattern to the downside, that market's going to push down, headed down to the 15-minute. Still sideways consolidation. Market is extending sideways. Price action candle is a doji. Second, third, fourth candle is a doji as well. We can start seeing that market's forming that structure of so far is at the bottom. It's still in that third leg of that double bottom. First leg, second leg, third leg. Market is sitting there. It could be pushing up for that fourth to make that double bottom. Or we could see multiple pushes to that top. It could be a double top and a retest. So we do have that first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg. Market's at the retest. Is it going to shoot down for a decline? Or is that market going to still continue to consolidate? Waiting for that engulfing pattern. Headed down to M3. The 3M. 3-minute time frame, price action, doji, second last candle, doji. Market still in consolidation. Not enough for this market to show that it's engulfing. I would want price action to be above the second candle wick for that person. That price is going to identify to go up. As we can see on the 1-minute, market ran into an area of resistance. So it's working. It could be working its way back down to that area of support. So 1, 3, 5, 15, 30, 45, 1 hour consolidation. It down to, okay guys, this is Cam Jones, AXP Analysis. Thank you for watching and thank you for your attention. Please review Forex Pattern Cheat Sheet. Click on Images and Breakout Retest Images. Breakout Retest Strategy, click on Images. Hey guys, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your attention. AXP stock.